How can I determine if a property is a good investment for rental income? Everybody wants to get into rental income. And you know what? It's really, really good. But make sure you know what you're doing. It's $1 million question. It comes up all the time. So here's the scoop. Um, Look for locations with high rental demand and strong growth potential. Do you want to buy an investment property in an area or a location that's like you don't hear a lot of people wanting to move there? What's around it? What type of activities? Are there any good restaurants? Or is it rural? All these things need to be taken into consideration. And then what's the growth potential? Um, you want to crunch those numbers, compare rental incomes in the area, and then compare those rental incomes to expenses. For cash flow. You just want to make sure that you're going in a positive direction with cash flow. About properties with low maintenance costs and desirable amenities, if that's a thing in that area. Don't forget to factor in potential vacancies and market fluctuations.